हरि करना।
So as I have told you before, so this course consists of three sections mainly. The first section will be dealing with research methodology. The second section would be sampling methods, and the third section would be our distribution. Okay. So now let's begin with research methodology. So research methodology, in this we will understand about what is research, types of research, and we will look into the research process and what research we will be using, whether it is quantitative or qualitative. If it is quantitative, out of that, which type we'll specifically use, is it empirical or something else? So, and we'll see a lot of components of that empirical research, and from the empirical research we will look into the terminology of the empirical research, and then once that is done we will move on to the uh, sampling methods. So now the question arises, what is research? So scientific research is a systematic, controlled, empirical and critical investigation of natural phenomena, guided by theory and hypotheses about presumed relations among such phenomena. So research is nothing but a systematic investigation and study of a particular topic or subject in order to discover new knowledge, gain a deeper understanding, or solve a problem. So it involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data, as well as the evaluation of existing information and development of new insights and ideas.